Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to copy Discord profile link on mobile. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Open the Discord mobile app on your device. Then click the three lines right here. The next step is to tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. We're in our settings, so what you want to do is to scroll down and find the advanced option. Make sure that the developer mode is enabled. Now go back to any of your chats. The next step that we have to do in order to get our profile link is to tap on our profile picture in the chat. It's going to open up this section. Click on the three lines at the right corner and then copy the user ID. Once we have our Discord user ID, we can exit the Discord application. Now open the Notes app. When you open your notes, you want to type discordapp.com /, and when you type that, just paste your Discord profile ID that we've just copied. When you do that, just copy the whole link, and that's your Discord profile link. That's how you can get your link in the Discord mobile app. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.